So during my school time, I've always had this little dream of having a long vacation, staying at home and doing nothing. And to my surprise, I have it now. But during these days, I've developed a really weird habit of waking up early, like real early. But all of this is for a reason, a brighter one. And together we stand strong. During these days, you can take bath anytime or just change your clothes and wear anything you want. Okay, so not shirtless, I guess. Yeah, much better. Because of all the extra time I have got now, I've started writing my thoughts from quite a long time now. And beside for the main reason of all this, we all can possibly see other benefits too. But let me tell you, this is not how things used to be. We used to meet and eat together, attend workshops, work for our own daily needs, pray to the one all above us, enjoy our fullest and let the child inside us roar, dance together and dance until the next dawn. But while I'm writing all this, I wonder how my friends are doing. How is Kunal doing? Or Rohan? Or Anmol? Or Nitin? Or Astha? Or Himanshu? Or Chetali? Or Ashima Di?
Don't you all think we have all been in quarantine since ages? And the special thing that we kept quarantined was our soul.
Even the mountains have changed their colors. It has become more beautiful and more pretty. This is giving more peace and calm to my mind.
Quarantine for me is like a rat trap. Being an extrovert, not able to go out, feels like a mouse in a mousetrap.
Since I was a kid, I've always wanted to stay home for a whole day and play a lot of video games. During this lockdown, we have online classes and less assignment, so I have a lot of free time. So during my free time, I game a lot.
But the best part is, we are just few moments away from the bright future that awaits for us. I really hope everyone's doing good and staying at home right now. And it's really good to see how people are helping each other with food, shelter, or money, or anything possible. Because we all know how tense the situation is right now. But if we see the situation in another perspective, then this is the best time to learn something you always wanted to, or to improve in something that you love doing. Like I have been watching lots and lots of videos on how to play flute and how to improve in sketching because I have time for that right now. So I hope that you stay good, help each other, and learn something new.